Hello all, welcome back for another amazing video. And when I say amazing, I mean it's a transformation video whereby we are going to be transforming this 5x6 bed today. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. Anyway, without wasting time, I'm going to start off by cutting off these small knobs that you see me pointing on the screen. There are two of them, one on the other side and the other on this other side. So I'm going to start off by cutting them off. I'm going to be using these small pieces of wood that I've already cut into sizes. I'm going to use them to make a small frame which I'm going to use to raise the main headboard, because I want it to raise up to 5 feet from the floor. So I'm just going to join the pieces together, then I'm going to add it on top of the main headboard, as you will see on the screen after this. After joining the small adjustment on top of the main headboard, I'm going to use plywood to cover the boards, so that it will give me a good surface that I'm going to work on. And I'm going to be using a staple gun. Also, after using the staple gun, I'm going to use a 1-inch nails, so that the plywood will be very firm on top of the headboard. And now this is how the new headboard frame looks like. It's 5 feet tall from the floor. So then now I'm going to cut my foam into sizes, because it's a channel bed. My client wanted a channel bed, so I'm going to cut the pieces of foam into sizes, and then after that I'll start doing the channels process. So keep watching the video so that you will understand what I'm doing. That is, if you want to try one of your own. It's not that hard. It's something that you can try, provided you have the necessary materials and tools. And if you're liking this kind of content, make sure to like our video, comment and share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. how the bed looked like. So before you see the final reveal, don't forget to like this video, comment and share, and mostly subscribe to our channel.